Welcome to Vlogmas. Okay, so I just got home from school. I don't know what it is, but every single time it's freezing cold outside, I decide not to wear a jacket, so it's literally 40 degrees, and I sprinted out of the school, and as soon as I started running out of the school, it started raining. So I got rained on in the freezing cold. It was really fantastic, but I'm probably just gonna sit here for a little while, watch a movie maybe, and just relax because I've been working a lot and I haven't had time to just do nothing, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm in a new vehicle.
Oh my god.
Bitch pulling up with the whip!
I knew whip this shit. Drip through August.
Y'all are the nastiest people I've ever met.
Wait, can you come close?
Yeah, hey. Look, we have the same glasses.
Can I have that shirt, babe?
Oh yeah, sure. Of course you can.
I cannot put that on the vlog. You just said babe.
Babe?
Ew.
Oh,
delete.
And bad content, can't do it.
Can't keep my hands to myself. I mean I could, but why would I want to?
I love the rain.
Video? Is this a vlog?
It's the vlog.
Wait, really?
It's the vlog.
Here's Ryan O'Connor. Shout me out. Instagram, Ryan.
Ready? Hi everybody. So, before I get my day started, I was just gonna give you a little outfit of the day. So, black jeans, belt. I do not know where this is from. I cut this t-shirt and then this jacket and my glasses. So, yeah. Hi vlog.
Is it on me? Oh, hey. You be on that? Love vlog.
What would you like to say
Welcome
today?
to Vlogmas.
Oh.
That's so sweet.
You're always alert. You're always alert. You can never die.
You can never
This
die.
is wrong. How do you think that you bring home $111,000 a month? $5,000 a month, and you're going to save $15,000.
Stop on vlogging.
Really likes a girl, you would get it for every
Maybe. It just depends on the
I get it for free. I don't have to. What are you doing, faggot? Vlogging. It's the vlog. I'm in the middle of eating
It's the
some
vlog.
peanut butter and she's being a bastard.
Either.
It's the vlog. Baby, when
Hey, bro.
once you start freaking out if you got flowers every week and then all of a sudden 1 week. Have you been fucking up his Takis right now?
I freak out anytime I get flowers because I'm like,
What?
I'm so sorry. You didn't mean to. It was an accident. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Gang shit.
I like your sweatshirt.
We're the Zero twins.
Oh my god.
It's so hard.
I've never Bro, I've never been caught copying before. That's hilarious.
You have a YouTube?
On our way to Sonic. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, yeah.
got the dope? Who got the dope? Comment down below.
Monolithic sites where these past cultures explain that they were built by the gods. But were they really gods? Or could they have been extraterrestrials? Peru, home of the world's longest mountain range. The Andes. The spine. Y'all like Andes candy? Well, you already know we got on the same page with that.
It's me. I don't think I'm the picture taker. I really don't.
We just have to stay. We have to get like a good background. It's just because it's in my room that's ugly.
Dude, I feel.
You know?
Yes.
You know?
Okay, so we decided to send. We just sent it. I'm vlogging. Okay, so we decided to send an email. We decided to send an email to Barefoot complaining about their company so that we can get some more free wine.
Okay. I purchased a bottle of pink Moscato and was very disappointed upon purchase. I normally tend to buy the white wine, but decided to step out of my comfort zone to try the pink Moscato. When I opened the bottle, the initial smell was horrific. It smelled aged and old.
Is that what you have so far?
And then I put all my prior experiences. So it said, where did you buy this product? And I said it was recommended. Occasion of use, and I said at home meal. How was the product served? And I said it was pulled from an ice bucket, which is a fucking lie. It was pulled from my fucking sink underneath my sink in my room. Do you plan to buy this product again? Probably will not purchase in the future. When did you notice the first issue? First glass. Where was the product stored prior to this purchase? I said refrigerator. And what type of cork was used? And I said no corkscrew. So I'm submitting this shit, and hopefully I'll get free wine.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hello.
Do we need to get our drinks? Oh my god.
We woke up this early. Sorry, we woke up this early.
We are getting Chick-fil-A.
I was about to say, that's dope. If I am on that bitch, that'd be dope as fuck.
How do I like scroll downwards? Is it like this?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
What are you looking at? Why are you reaching that way?
Sorry.
My hands are free.
Why are you doing that with your shoulder?
Don't fucking touch me.
He's
I've got a
watching porn
headset on.
right
I
now.
can't see anything.
He's watching porn on virtual reality. How do you feel about that? You're like shriveling up. Like what are you looking at?
Ooh, Athena.
Hey guys, it's kind of loud in here. So I worked for a little bit today. I was 2 hours late. It was really great. Super fun and fresh. Now we're at Penn Stat. Savannah, Easton, Jillian. Savannah?
Yes.
What just happened?
Okay, so we just got in a wreck, and it was a little scary. And
Not a wreck. Nope, not a wreck.
No.
Someone backed into my vehicle, claiming that I was in a illegal parking spot, which was wrong after all. We found that out because it didn't say, there wasn't a sign for no parking. There wasn't, I wasn't in a fire lane. It was private parking area. So I'm doing good. My siblings are fine. No one got injured, which is very thankful for that. But the other people that were involved in this that hit my car, fuck you. Okay.
they were fucking pricks.
Pricks. This lady was the biggest cunt I have literally ever met.
What a fucking cunt.
What a fucking cunt. A fucking cunt. She's a fucking cunt. Anyways, so this has been the worst night of my life. Also, first time a cop was ever nice to me in my entire goddamn life. Shout out to the one and only nice cop on the planet. You're my homie. Thanks. Yeah, my entire driver's seat door is fucked. Every time I open it, it cracks. The crack would literally start an avalanche. It's so loud. So, it's completely dented in. So that's what's happened to us tonight. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you'll have a good night or morning or whenever you're watching this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please give me views. Peace and blessings.